punch her.
mean?
Punch her hard.
Say it's not nice.
Hit her in the
Wilkie.
face.
Oh, that's not nice.
Punch her
She
in her
quick
nose.
too, boy.
Punch her in her
I mean,
nose.
she can swing.
Hit her
Why
hard.
you mean to me?
Hit her hard. Hit her hard.
Come here.
Punch her.
Come here.
Punch her.
Aw.
Calm down, Wolfman.
Are you a good girl? No. No.
Single spot.
Are you a good girl? Raylan. Raylan. Look. Look. No.
Brookie, we done play in her hair. Yeah. We're still pulling it.
Just trying to pull my necklace off. Hey.
I can't do any spot here. I guess because of me.
Hey. What are you doing? Raylan. Look up here. Hey. Hey. Look at her rat tail. What's her doing? Hi.
Look, her hair's so long you
Hey.
can braid it.
Yeah, it's long.
What's he doing? Oh. Oh. Ah.
Get her.
What are you
Bite her in the
doing?
face.
Get her.
Oh, she will if you got her.
Get her.